Hello everyone, this is Ruby Yadav and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Mary Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. Now my today's topic is advocate, and the sole purpose of my topic is to give you a brief intro or a brief view about who is advocate. In law, an advocate is a person who is professionally qualified to plead the cause of another in a court of law. Advocate is a legal practitioner of any high court or lower court. He is entitled to represent his client before the court of law, for which he should be granted license by State Bar Council. Advocates have the dual responsibility of upholding the interest of the clients fearlessly while conducting themselves as officers of the court. An advocate must have the punch shield quality. Punch shield quality, that is the honesty, industry, justice, service and philosophy. An advocate should be truthful and reliable to everybody. Integrity is telling myself the truth, and honesty is telling the truth to others people. Well, the advocates have many duties towards their client, towards the court, towards their colleagues, and towards the society at large. But there are some general duties which is specific for the advocate. The general duty of an advocate is to maintain a cordial and fiduciary relation with clients. As we know, the advocates has a confidential relationship with his clients. So it is the duty of the advocate to maintain a cordial and a fiduciary relationship with his clients. Now, the advocates have to observe the rule of Bar Council. Now, it is the duty of an advocate to observe certain legal and mandatory rules of Bar Council of India in his dealing with his client. Advocates need to maintain the accounts of the clients, and it is the duty of the advocate to give the receipt of the amount received by the client to the client. An advocate should not lend money to his clients for the purpose of any action or legal proceedings in which he is engaged by such client. There's a most important duty of an advocate is not to plead for the opposite party. An advocate who has at any time advised in connection with the institution of a suit, appeal or other matter, or has drawn pleadings or acted for a party, shall not act, appear or plead for the opposite party. It is the duty of the advocate to maintain the dignity and the self-respect. An advocate should not be engaged in any business other than the law. His duty should be only towards the law profession. As being the officer of the court, an advocate should always oath his profession and his duty towards his clients, court, towards the public interest and towards his colleague. This was a short introduction about the advocate and about his duties. Kindly give me your feedback about this video. And that's it for the day. Thank you so much.